Have you ever wanted to get involved with real estate investing but lack the money or credit to do so? What if I told you that right now there was a real estate investing technique being offered in your hometown as well as hundreds of cities across the nation that would allow you to get involved with real estate investing today, costing you zero out of pocket, and would allow you to make thousands of dollars every time you do it? Hi, I'm Trevor Young, fellow real estate investor and founder of the Real Talk Investor Academy. Today, I'm here to share with you a hot topic that's sweeping the nation by storm called wholesaling. Wholesaling is a process where the wholesaler earns money by putting a property under contract for one price and then assigning the contract to a buyer at a higher price. The difference between the two prices is the amount of money a wholesaler earns. Here's an example. You, the wholesaler, finds a person that is needing to sell their house fast. This could happen for a number of reasons. Maybe they're getting a divorce. Maybe they inherited the property. Maybe they are facing some financial problems and they need to cash out some equity. It really doesn't matter what their reason is for needing to sell their home fast. The important part is they're motivated to sell. You, as the wholesaler, make an offer to purchase the property for, let's say, $100K, and the seller accepts. You'll have them sign a purchase and sale agreement to place the home under contract. Now that you have the house under contract, you will then find a buyer who can pay cash for the house. You offer to sell the house to them for $110K. The buyer agrees to purchase the contract from you because they know that by only paying $110K for the house, that they can make a big profit by fixing it up and selling it for a much larger price. You then assign your purchase and sale agreement to the cash buyer. At a future agreed-upon date, the seller and the buyer meet at the title company or an attorney's office to sign all of the paperwork. The buyer pays $110K for the house, the seller gets $100K, and you get your $10K. Not too shabby if you ask me. Now just imagine being able to repeat this process over and over again. How awesome would that be? Probably life-changing, I imagine. If I've sparked some interest and this sounds like something you'd like to know more about, put your info in at the link below so I can send you a free video showing you exactly how you can get started with wholesaling today.